Same ratio in different situations. Consider the following. Length of a room is 30 meters and its breadth is 20 meters. So, the ratio of length of the room to the breadth of the room is equal to 30 by 20, which is equal to 3 by 2, which is equal to 3:2. There are 24 girls and 16 boys going for a picnic. Ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys is equal to 24 by 16 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3:2. The ratio in both the examples is 3:2. Note the ratios 30:20 and 24:16 in lowest form are same as 3:2. These are equivalent ratios. Can you think of some more examples having the ratio 3:2? It is fun to write situations that give rise to a certain ratio. For example, write situations that give the ratio 2:3. Ratio of the breadth of a table to the length of the table is 2:3. Sheena has 2 marbles and her friend Shabnam has 3 marbles. Then the ratio of marbles that Sheena and Shabnam have is 2:3. Can you write some more situations for this ratio? Give any ratio to your friends and ask them to frame situations. Ravi and Rani started a business and invested money in the ratio 2:3. After 1 year, the total profit was 4 lakh rupees. Ravi said, "We would divide it equally." Rani said, "I should get more as I have invested more." It was then decided that profit will be divided in the ratio of their investment. Here, the two terms of the ratio 2:3 are 2 and 3. Sum of these terms is equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. What does this mean? This means if the profit is 5 rupees, then Ravi should get 2 rupees and Rani should get 3 rupees. Or we can say that Ravi gets 2 parts and Rani gets 3 parts out of the 5 parts. That is, Ravi should get 2 by 5 of the total profit and Rani should get 3 by 5 of the total profit. Page 248. If the total profit were 500 rupees, Ravi would get rupees 2 by 5 into 500, which is equal to 200 rupees. And Rani would get 3 by 5 into 500, which is equal to 300 rupees. Now, if the profit were 4 lakh rupees, could you find the share of each? Ravi's share is equal to rupees 2 by 5 into 4 lakh, which is equal to rupees 1,60,000. And Rani's share is equal to rupees 3 by 5 into 4 lakh, which is equal to rupees 2,40,000. Can you think of some more examples where you have to divide a number of things in some ratio? Frame 3 such examples and ask your friends to solve them. Let us look at the kind of problems we have solved so far. Try these. 1. Find the ratio of number of notebooks to the number of books in your bag. 2. Find the ratio of number of desks and chairs in your classroom. 3. Find the number of students above 12 years of age in your class. 'Then find the ratio of number of students with age above 12 years and the remaining students. 4. Find the ratio of number of doors and the number of windows in your classroom. 5. Draw any rectangle and find the ratio of its length to its breadth. Example 1. Length and breadth of a rectangular field are 50 meters and 15 meters respectively. Find the ratio of the length to the breadth of the field. Solution. Length of the rectangular field is equal to 50 meters. Breadth of the rectangular field is equal to 15 meters. The ratio of the length to the breadth is 50:15. The ratio can be written as 50/15 equal to 50 divided by 5 upon 15 divided by 5. Which is equal to 10 divided by 3, which is equal to 10:3. Thus, the required ratio is 10:3. Example 2. Find the ratio of 90 centimeters to 1.5 meters. Solution. The two quantities are not in the same units. Therefore, we have to convert them into same units. .5 meters is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 100 centimeters, which is equal to 150 centimeters. Therefore, the required ratio is 90:150. Which is equal to 90 upon 150 equal to 90 multiplied by 30 upon 150 multiplied by 30, which is equal to 3 upon 5. Required ratio is 3:5. Example 3. There are 45 persons working in an office. If the number of females is 25 and the remaining are males, find the ratio of A. The number of females to number of males, B. The number of males to number of females. Solution. Number of females is equal to 25. Total number of workers is equal to 45. Number of males is equal to 45 minus 25, which is equal to 20. Therefore, the ratio of number of females to the number of males is equal to 25:20 equal to 5:4. And the ratio of number of males to the number of females is equal to 20:25 which is equal to 4:5. Notice that there is a difference between the two ratios 5:4 and 4:5. Example 4. Give two equivalent ratios of 6:4. Solution. Ratio 6:4 is equal to 6/4, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 upon 4 multiplied by 2. Which is equal to 12/8. Therefore, 12:8 is an equivalent ratio of 6:4. Similarly, the ratio 6:4 is equal to 6/4 equal to 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 4 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 3/2. So 3:2 is another equivalent ratio of 6:4. Therefore, we can get equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Write two more equivalent ratios of 6:4. Example 5. Fill in the missing numbers. 14/21 is equal to dash upon 3, which is equal to 6 upon dash. Solution. In order to get the first missing number, we consider the fact that 21 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7. That is, when we divide 21 by 7, we get 3. This indicates that to get the missing number of second ratio, 14 must also be divided by 7. When we divide, we have 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Page 250. Hence, the second ratio is 2/3. Similarly, to get third ratio, we multiply both terms of second ratio by 3. Why? Hence, the third ratio is 6/9. Therefore, 14/21 is equal to 2/3, which is equal to 6/9. These are all equivalent ratios. Example 6. Ratio of distance of the school from Mary's home to the distance of the school from John's home is 2:1. A. Who lives nearer to the school? B. Complete the following table which shows some possible distances that Mary and John could live from the school. Distance from Mary's home to school in kilometers. 10-4-. Distance from John's home to school in kilometers. 5-4-3-1. Fill in the blanks. C. If the ratio of distance of Mary's home to the distance of Kalam's home from school is 1:2, then who lives nearer to the school? Solution. A. John lives nearer to the school, as the ratio is 2:1. B. Distance from Mary's home to school in kilometers. Ten, 8, 4, 6, 2. Distance from John's home to school in kilometers. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. C. Since the ratio is 1:2, so Mary lives nearer to the school. Example 7. Divide 60 rupees in the ratio 1:2 between Kriti and Kiran. Solution. The two parts are 1 and 2. Therefore, sum of the parts is equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. This means if there are 3 rupees, Kriti will get 1 rupee and Kiran will get 2 rupees. Or we can say that Kriti gets 1 part and Kiran gets 2 parts out of every 3 parts. Therefore, Kriti's share is equal to 1/3 into 60, equal to 20 rupees. and Kiran's share is equal to 2 upon 3 into 60 equal to 40 rupees.